1, 2, 3 is mandatory once the requisite number of MPs have signed the petition as appropriately provided by law. It's mandatory. I do not see any discretion therein, and I do not intend to invoke any. Nevertheless, once Parliament is recalled, a Speaker may have the discretion regarding what business takes place. For that matter, anything that offends the issues raised above will be grounds for, and I quote, open and close, quotation ends, policy. In other words, you recall and then you send away. Not to encourage anything that will be considered frivolous, vexatious, or otherwise an abuse of the process of Parliament. In other words, that right provided, we should be careful, does not become a tool for promoting that which is frivolous, vexatious, or otherwise an abuse of the process of Parliament. Our good nation cannot be allowed to sink into insecurity and confusion, and that is why I have allowed this to come on, notwithstanding the incompetence in regularities.